Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
Republican Minority Leader Senator Tenorio says she received an interesting text following the controversial oversight hearing held by Senator Sen Tina T Cruz on procurement of quarantine facilities.
So there is something very fishy going on there.
It's this statement read by the governor's legal counsel that apparently led to Guam Homeland Security Advisor Tim Uggan reaching out to Senator T Cruz to clear his name.
March 17, 2020. It was discovered that the Homeland Security Advisor had not procured quarantine or isolation facilities as previously reported. Homeland Security's reliance on condemning a certain hotel was not approved. Legal counsels were instructed to and quickly engage with the Guam Hotel and Restaurant Association, GHRA, to seek hotel properties willing to serve as quarantine sites.
I think it was to effect that what was said during that oversight hearing on procurement and what Hyatt said was not true.
And it wasn't just the Republican lawmaker that Uggan reached out to, Lieutenant Governor Josh Tenorio.
I did get a similar message from the HSA telling me the same thing.
Lieutenant Governor Tenorio on our interactive multimedia radio show containing COVID says he spoke with Uggan on Saturday.
I wanted to go back to Tim Uggan because I'm not done yet. What part did he say was not true?
He just indicated to me that, he was not instructed to do any procurement. That's pretty much what it was at the time when they were doing all the planning.
Did you hear anything at all about
Wait. He was told that he was not
he wasn't
instructed to...
What he messaged me was that he just wanted me to know that he was never instructed to initiate procurement during the time in which he was working with public health and GHRA. He was simply trying to understand which hotels would be willing to step forward and voluntarily be considered to be used as quarantine. That's what he told me.
You may recall the Lieutenant Governor previously on containing COVID said he did see some red flags with the procurement of quarantine facilities. On our show today, he said he's waiting to see the results of the audit that will be conducted by the Office of Public Accountability. That audit launched today.
I just think that the fair thing to do is I would like the independent auditors to come in, issue a report, and I want to take a look and see what happened.
Mm-hmm.
That's a...
I don't want to make allegations against people. I don't want to defend people if I don't know the whole thing and I'm not involved in the transaction. My interest is I want to see once the independent auditors are there, what happened and what needs to be done to improve the process.
As we reported, Uggan wasn't the only person who took issue with what the governor's legal counsel, Hai Hyun, read before senators. During the oversight hearing, GHRA President Mary Rhodes said they had nothing to do with the negotiations and procurement of Perlis Court and Pacific Star, despite Attorney Hyun's statements otherwise. During the oversight hearing, it was revealed that the invoices for quarantine hotels were paid by the Department of Administration, despite the fact that there were no signed agreements. Meanwhile, although Senator Perez indicated a follow-up oversight hearing was on the way, none has been scheduled to date. As for Uggan, he's been on leave, tending to an ill family member. For Guam's News Network, Chris Barnett reports.
Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.